If you're a visa consultant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the MultiSites service yet, MultiSites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch a website in less than 1 minute. It's that simple. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Visa Consultant. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our Visa Consulting business so I can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let MultiSites work its magic and generate a simple website for me. And there it is. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images of your Visa consulting business and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be working my way from each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can see how easy it is to make those changes, make amendments on the platform. You don't need to know any website coding, you don't need to be a web professional, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer to help you with this either. So let's get cracking, building our websites, making amendments for our Visa consultant business. I'm quickly going to head to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section. Now over here I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address, and I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my MultiSites website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number over here, and that is clicked to call to display to that email address. Let's go ahead and put in our physical location, our street address. And the great thing about that physical location, the address, is when your customers click on it in the top left hand corner, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that our Visa Consultant business is active on. Icons will be displayed on the top right hand corner next to your email address. So when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to your social media profiles. Let's move along. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, you're in the startup process of your business, MultiSites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great and professional. However, if you have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. If you really want a logo and you don't have a huge budget for one, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on that platform. Our logo has been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I'm quite happy with that sizing, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it exactly the way it is. Now with MultiSites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. However, perhaps it doesn't go with your logo, your branding throughout your Visa consultant business. Maybe you have some signage, posters, etc. on your logo, business cards, and it's not quite this color over here. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to head and scroll to the bottom and just see which one works well for me and my business. I think I might go with a red as it really stands out. So I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, feel free to browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. Mighty Sites will automatically search for visa consultants, but play around with the terms a little bit. As you can see, it didn't bring up any suitable images. So I'm just going to search for visa and check what comes up. So now I can see lots of suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Let's go ahead and save it. And remember, all these images are completely free to use. I think that one's absolutely suitable, so I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is. Over here, go ahead and change the content to suit your needs. Make amendments button doesn't have to say schedule a visa consultation. Maybe you just wanted to say get in touch with us or get in touch. Go ahead and choose the link. You can link to the lead form at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website. I'll get to in just a second. Otherwise, perhaps you offer a calendar booking, third party booking website where people can make their consultation bookings. Go ahead and pop that URL over here for the websites. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put this as click to call. You could as well upload a PDF file with a catalog with all your different rates or services you offer. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and now I'm going to move along. Now over here again, pre-written content as a guideline button doesn't have to say contact us. You can link it to various places. If you want to make changes, click on update section and work your magic. Over here, we've made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your visa consultation business came to be, how you got into the industry, how long you've been helping people with their visa applications. Go ahead and pop all those details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services that you can help your customers with. Do you offer visa consults, visa assistance, expedited visas where you can speed the process up? Go ahead and pop all the details over here so your customers know what they can come to your business for, what services you can help them with. We've now made our way into the lead form that I've just previously told you about. Over here, your customers can put in their details, their message, click on send, and you will get notified you have a lead from this form via email. You can also find all your leads in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our business website we've just created, generated, made amendments to for our visa consultation business. It really didn't even take me not even 10 minutes to do all of this, make some changes. It really was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding whatsoever or hire a professional to help me with this either. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So do give it a bash and see how it works for you and your small business. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and go ahead and say I already have a domain. Let's wait a second for that to load. Awesome. Click on I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking that domain. Now, if you are struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com. Head on over to our blog. You'll find a step-by-step tutorial on linking your custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of valuable articles, blog posts over here with tips on marketing your business on Facebook, social media, and your community. I do recommend you check it out. You'll find lots of tips for marketing your small business over here. If you don't have a domain, really excited to let you know you can now purchase your custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced a feature, so click on I want a new domain and purchase your custom domain. Let's head over to the website dashboard. Over here, you'll find the leads from that form I've just previously shown you on the previous screen on your Mighty Sites platform. You'll get notified via email, and you'll also find your leads over here by clicking on View Leads. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your visa consult business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, Do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.